Bienvenidos, e-bike banditos. This is the official 5-year video review with the DENZEL Samurai 72-volt electric dirt bike. After tons of research, ended up contacting Alex, the inventor. I was then forwarded to a US merchant, and after some negotiating on the price and shipping, ended up purchasing this very bike towards the end of 2020. At that time, this gizmo was cheaper and faster than any SUR-RON available on the market. It arrived in all black. It was crated well and delivered by a Penske truck, if memory serves me well, directly to my address. All you had to do was unbox, install the rear shock, handlebars, and front wheel, then charge it and go. Fun fact, this was actually our second e-bike. The first one, an electric scooter, was sold to a friend of mine. I'll leave an end card in this video if you want to check out that neat toy, and planning a future ride out together someday. But the main reason this channel exists now is basically to show my whereabouts. And so these ride-along posts go way back to late 2019, I believe. It's mostly raw footage though, in case I needed to forward it to the authorities for verification purposes back then. And as you can tell, these videos have evolved over time. As well as this DENZEL Samurai you see here. With zero experience other than using a bicycle, this e-bike totally blew me away. And am now real comfortable with it and pretty much do whatever I want, as this thingy has no VIN, and that means no registration, plate, or license. It's not even street legal, folks, which makes it the perfect toy to bend the traffic laws and get past rush hour congestion, as you can see demonstrated exactly in previous posts by clicking link in the description below for all our adventures in the Windy City over the years. And of course there are bicycle laws in the books, but nobody here follows them anyway. I mean, not even the law obeys the law in Chicago. Only had one incident with the cops pulling up, but it was to ask questions about the Samurai. Even curious everyday people stop to ask questions. And I've had just a handful of run-ins with the Karens, and they'll totally get an appropriate response too. As I don't really talk much on my rides because I'm too busy concentrating on not dying, and have had way too many close calls with vehicles, beyond that, there's no doubt these e-bikes are excellent for city transportation, and in conjunction with your main car, it can really save you tons on gas, mileage, maintenance, insurance, parking, etc. You really can't go wrong, to be honest. A real quick rundown of the basics on the DENZEL Samurai is that it's a 72-volt, 37 amp hour battery, 4-kilowatt motor, and has attained speeds of 53 miles an hour based on Google Maps and a GPS app. 20x4 fat tires, hydraulic brakes, regenerative braking system, cruise control, running day lamps, low-high beams and strobe function, left-right turn signals visible in front and back, hazards, headlamp and tail light. It also arrived with an anti-theft alarm, 2 key fobs to activate alarm as well as turn the bike on and off, a charger you can plug into a home outlet, and it's like several hours to charge it from low. For more in-depth details, please reference additional end card at the conclusion of this video. In that post, you can also see how the Samurai looked originally. In due time, I wanted to customize it. Visited multiple bike and motorcycle shops, and most weren't interested, able to help, or their asking price was exaggerated. So ultimately, I made the executive decision to do the poor man's modding job on this e-bike myself. Thank you, Amazon and eBay. Added LED pods, reflective vinyl, tape, and stickers for better visibility at night. The only places that have actually helped maintain this bike has been Luna Alley Bikes, Oakton Tires, and our local stuntman, who taught me how to reseat chain after it pops. And that has been one of the 3 gripes I've had. So far, said bike chain has popped twice, and needed to walk with it at least a mile or so each incident. It appears that a set screw comes loose over time, creating a reaction causing that issue. So nowadays I ride with some tools and a kit of set screws to fix it myself, and can ride off in case it happens thrice instead of walking home. The second gripe is that there is no odometer, so I have no freaking idea how many miles I have on this thingy. Definitely over 1,000, maybe close to 3, I don't know. The third and final gripe that was expensive is that the battery went out and wouldn't take a charge anymore. Lost a season of riding and ended up purchasing an X-Class 52-volt e-bike in 2023. Researching the battery issue, I noticed a handful of reviews with others having the same problem. So clearly there are a batch that were made funky from China. Reached out to both US Merchant and Alex. They both helped as best they could and eventually hooked me up with a CTS battery in China. They made a custom replacement for me and delivered it right to my home. An over $800 operation, but the new battery is bigger, better, stronger, and lasts longer, and way cheaper than US pricing. The only other nitpicky thing is the speedometer reads in kilometers and not miles per hour. I can see you can change it, but I'm not sure how to. This being the most expensive e-bike in the collection, I sure do not regret it, as it has given me the freedom to maneuver around the city as I please, quickly and efficiently over the years. I park it anywhere I want, secured or unsecured. As long as the coast is clear, you can plow past red lights and below stop signs, or utilize not just the streets, but bike lanes, trails, and even the sidewalk if need be. A real-life e-bike bandito indeed. In conclusion, if you can't source a DENZEL Samurai from overseas, or don't feel comfy doing that, you can certainly check out the domestic version called the Solar E-CLIPSE, but you'll be paying US prices. And if you already have one of those, you can source parts from DENZEL's website too. I really hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Please consider liking and subscribing as we post all our hobbies on a weekly basis. I'm very grateful for all your support as this channel grows organically without any SEOs, bots, paid subs, AI assisted schemes, or any other gimmick. People power. That's how it's done. With that, you all stay well, stay safe, enjoy the aerial and night footage with the drone. Ciao, friends.